Buju Banton, wife, kids, career, net worth and future unveiled. What's good, everyone? Welcome to an epic deep dive into the life of Buju Banton, Jamaica's reggae and dancehall legend. Before we dive in, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay updated on our profiles of iconic artists. Today, we're revealing Buju Banton's personal life, career milestones, net worth, and what's next for the Gargamel. Let's get started. Born Mark Anthony Myrie on July 15, 1973, in Kingston, Jamaica, Buju Banton grew up in Salt Lane, the youngest of 15 children. His nickname, Buju, breadfruit in Maroon language, was given by his mother, a street vendor, while Banton honors DJ Burro Banton. Descended from Jamaica's Maroons, his gritty roots shaped his powerful voice and socially conscious lyrics. Buju's personal life is private but complex. He was previously married to Nina Atala, with whom he has 5 children, Jahazeil, Jodian, Shadai, Jahleel, and Mark Myrie. Reports suggest he's a father to 17 children overall, though details are scarce. As of 2025, he's reportedly single, with unconfirmed rumors of a girlfriend post-2019. His son Mark Myrie Jr. is pursuing music, carrying the family legacy. Buju's career exploded in 1992 with Stamina Daddy and Misdimension, the latter becoming Jamaica's best-selling album ever, breaking Bob Marley's record for most #1 singles in a year. His 1995 album, Till Shiloh, with hits like Untold Stories and Murderer, marked a shift to Rastafari-inspired conscious reggae. Before the Dawn, 2010, won a Grammy, despite his 2011 to 2018 U.S. prison sentence for drug charges. Released in 2018, his Long Walk to Freedom tour and Upside Down 2020 album reaffirmed his global influence. Collaborations with Busta Rhymes, Stephen Marley, and DJ Khaled highlight his versatility. His 1992 song, Boom Bye Bye, stirred controversy for homophobic lyrics, leading to a public apology. Buju's net worth in 2025 is estimated at $2 to $3 million, per sources like Celebrity Net Worth and Wealthy Persons, derived from album sales, streaming, e.g., $10,500 to $14,300 monthly YouTube earnings, tours, and ventures like Gargamel Music and Everything BB Clothing. He owns properties in Kingston and Tamarack, Florida, but prefers a grounded lifestyle. Looking ahead, Buju's 2025 projects include new music and tours, with a potential Rock Nation-backed album following his 2019 deal. His focus on social justice and education initiatives in Jamaica suggests continued philanthropy. At 52, his influence remains strong, mentoring young artists and shaping reggae's future. That's Buju Banton's story. What's your favorite track? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more.